This is the payment I just received from CPA Group, and I'll be showing you guys the full method I use in getting this amount of money from CPA Group. Just stay with me to the end of this video while you find out how I did this. But before I do, kindly hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I have a new video on my channel. Thank you. Firstly, come over to this website called cpagrip.com. If you are new here and you don't know how to register, when you come over to cpagrip.com, you have to scroll down and tap on the join now button. Then you'll be brought over to this page. So you have to fill in your actual first name, last name. Company is not necessary. You can just put your name as a company. The website here, you can enter any random website, it's not important. Then your street address, country, because this is actually available for most countries. Nigeria is actually available, but you can create a US account if you need that. Why this part they ask for your Skype, you can just enter a random Skype name. Then over here, publisher type, you can enter email, that's the best, and email address, password, confirm password, time zone, select the time zone for your country. I'm not a robot. Then tap on this. Then what do you hear from us about us? You can write Google or YouTube, anyone. Then register. Then when you register, they'll send you confirmation email. Then when you confirm your email, that's all. But if you have a CPA Group account already, just go over to your account and log in. When you have logged in, go over to the offers to my offers, then come over to the country here and change the country to United States, and you see list of different offers. Okay, it's loading. See list of different offers. Okay, actually this is a mobile install offer. Get a 7 free try. The payout is actually low. These are zip and image submit, so we're looking actually for zip and image submit offers. Okay, so what you have to do is like look for items or products which are like people really want it. Like you can see brand new iPhone 12 is a stuff people will need, like iPhone 12. Who actually don't need the iPhone 12 now? Actually, and that one again is PS5. Can actually go for this. Okay, let's use this tool as an example for this video. It's very much you choose exactly what I'm picking, but it's one of the best. Okay, what you have to do here is grab your link. Okay, we're not grabbing the link yet now. Okay, iPhone 12 and PS5. So now I'll be showing you guys the traffic source I'm actually using. We'll show you exactly the way I use it. So if you are enjoying this video, kindly hit the like button and comment your country below. I really appreciate if you can do that, so I can know where my viewers are coming from and I can keep posting content available in your country. Okay, so go over to facebook.com, log in to your Facebook account. If not use your Facebook account, you can get a fresh account, anyone, but it will be best if you use your old Facebook account. So what you have to do here is you tap on edit profile. When you tap on edit profile, you have to scroll down to this. Okay, now what we are going to do here is, sorry, we have to change where you are living. Just follow me, you know why I'm actually doing this in few minutes. So I'll click on add new city and I'll tap on like New York, because that's the most populated city in US. Okay, tap on New York. Okay, Okay. Oh, sorry, is I'll tap on this instead. I have to edit my current city. Okay, I have to clear it and enter New York. Sorry for that. Okay, enter New York and save. So my current city is New York. Okay, so what I have to do now is go over to the home page of Facebook and search for some groups like Make Money Online group or Give Away. Currently, this is not my Facebook account, and this user is not on any of that group, but you can also go like this: Make Money Online. You can do it without being a member of the group. Okay, Make Money Online, search for it, go over to the group section, tap on groups, go over to the group section to load. So okay, tap on the first result. So watch me what I want to do now. So what I have to do now is we'll tap on, okay, we tap on these members. Okay, the members are loading, so you have to just stay with me. Okay, look at it. These are the admins and the moderator of the group. Okay, we scroll down again. People that will have things in common, maybe the Facebook group you are following or Facebook page, maybe have something common. Okay, scroll down again. Members near you. These are what we are looking at for. Currently in this group, members near me are 10. What this means is that these are members that are close to your city. That means people that live in your city or closer to your city. And as you have know, I selected New York as a city of this Facebook account. So meaning all these people reside in United States. Okay, I'll tap on see all. All these people resides in United States. So what I have to start doing here is you message them one by one. Okay, I can't guarantee you that all these people actually live in United States, but majority of them, because some people nowadays for use Facebook account and just like choose a different country, but I can guarantee you majority. But I want you to focus more on females, but you can also actually go for male also. But let me look for a female. Okay, you can see this one, Emmy Tony, New York. So tap on her and you add her a message. So when you tap on message, what you have to do first is you like try to make friends with the person. Okay, then you come and write message like hello, hello there, I am a member of a group. I'm a member of a group. Sorry. Okay, write a message like this. Hello there, I am a member of a Facebook group and I came across your profile. So I want to be friends with you since we live close. So you send, okay, send. So once the person reply you, like when person reply you, the person okay, if the person agrees to be friends with you, say okay. You introduce yourself, your name, what you do as a job. Just act like an average person living in New York. Like I say you're a worker, you work online or anything. Just try to like so a person can actually believe you. Just look real. So after some chat, like for 1 to 2 days, then you can ask the person now. Currently, we're going in December. You can ask the person, have you been able to purchase anything in discount price this Christmas and New Year Eve? Okay. The person give you a reply like yes, no. Can I say you came across this free offer where they're giving out free iPhone or free PS5? Can just put free iPhone and PS5 and you say will you be interested in it? It's actually free and I've gotten mine. Person say yes, then drop the link. So when you drop that link, the person is more likely to click on it because the person trusts you and you guys are just you have been friends already. But if you just rather come to the person profile and just paste your link, they'll count as a spam. So we have to go back again, go back and repeat this for different names here, and also go back and do this for different Facebook groups. Search for like giveaway groups. Okay, so tap on this. Okay, I'll prefer this free giveaway 45 members. Okay, can tap on the members over here and you repeat the same step. Okay, scroll down, people near you, you tap on it. Okay, and before you message any of them, try to look at their profile. Okay, okay, this is a female. She says she lives works at Amazon. So you repeat the same method again. You can copy and paste the same message you you send to the previous person and do the same. So this was actually what I did, but I'm going to be showing you another traffic site I use, but that's just an additional. Okay, I actually use Quora.com, but this is actually different because this site is very strict. They don't just like you pasting link on their website. Currently, this my account has been striked, so I can't answer any question. But these are what you have to do. Register on Quora here, and you can search for some question. As you can see, some say how do I make money online this Christmas? No answer yet. So you can come over to answer this person. Okay, let me show you guys how you can answer. Okay, so you scroll down here. But what you have to do first is have to give value, like write a long text. Like okay, I like you can write a long text like this, like making money online is difficult thing to do because you don't know where to start from and it is not easy to start without a guidance. I was actually in your shoes 3 years ago, but now I have been able to balance myself and I started making money online. Capital is needed to start making money online, so I want you to check out this site to get free $500 Amazon gift card or $1,000 cash up front. And if you can remember over here your offers, you see there see it here. Okay, let me look for it. Think I saw $500 Amazon gift card is actually there. And let me see, or Walmart gift card is there, Target gift card is there, and $1,000 cash app. So all you have to do is you tap on this. Okay, let me show you how it's done. You tap on this. Okay, you copy your link. When you copy your link, you go over to Quora.com and you highlight this, then you tap on this link button and you paste your link. Okay, let me see. Okay, now tap on enter. So I have inserted a link to this text. That's how it's done on Quora. But for better views, you can add a picture like an image in between this text. Add an image to make people discover your answer fast, because once when people are checking answers, they see text. When they see image will drag their attention. So that's how it's done. So this is how I was able to make that amount on CPA. So that's the old stuff I did making that money I showed in the beginning of this video. So if you are looking for other CPA Group traffic source, check the description of this video. I've dropped link of some other videos I've done in the past that's still actually working. So check it out, and do not forget to give this video thumbs up, comment, and hit the subscribe button. Thank you, I really appreciate it. Goodbye.